Every day, 1 billion people use elevators. This technology is essential to transport not just people, but also materials and equipment. And elevators are 1,500 times safer than the average car. And they aren't just safe, they're incredibly precise. They can ascend dozens of floors in seconds. They can lift people and machinery with millimeter accuracy, no matter the load. At the heart of this technology lies a small but essential component, the rotary encoder. Today we have a look inside Hohner Automation factory, a manufacturer and designer of rotary encoders for the last 40 years. Hello, Laura.
Hi, hello.
Thank you for welcoming us. So, can you tell us about what is Hohner and what is the history of Hohner?
Yes, we are producers of optical encoders. We started in 1983. So we were the first introducing the encoder as a sensor in the Spanish market and becoming more international after some years.
So can you show us a little bit the factory, how you manufacture the encoders, and also explain us what are the encoders, how are they designed?
Sure, very welcome. Let's go.
Thank you.
An optical encoder has three different parts. The mechanical design of the encoder. We can offer to our customers from encoders under the water to encoders in the moon. Then we have the electronics, the part of the encoder that help us to transform the rotary movement on a signal that can be digital or analog. And then we have the optical part. When we talk about magnetic encoders, then the principle is completely different, and we just work with a magnet that will create different magnetic fields. Will allow us also to generate digital or analog signals. The development is a key point on the strategy of the company, because we need to focus and adapt to every application what we find in the market. So it's not that you can have a standard encoder for everything. Mm-hmm. You need to go deeply on the application, and then you can have a design according to. Let's see how we assemble an encoder. So first step is to assemble the mechanical part of the encoder. In every step, we have a lot of several quality controls. Okay. So, that will ensure that the next step will be possible. After the mechanical assembly, will be that we need to adjust the encoder to a certain electronics. So we have a mechanical adjustment, what is very critical. The adjustment of the optical part is where we make it possible and where we fix the disc. And then we have the electronic adjustments. Once everything is together, the next operation is to finish the encoder as needed. A very important one is final quality control.
So where do you see the future of Hohner Automation and also of encoders?
So in general, the future of everything will be related to sensors. When we think about Industry 4.0, when we think about artificial intelligence, we think about sensors. Sensors will bring information. We are ready to bring to the society information about how do we move. Even applications that are not in our mind and will come in the future.
What if I wanted to know more about Hohner? What should I do?
Well, we are worldwide implemented, so you can contact us through our website. You can contact directly our team in different countries. So you are always welcome through any technology.
Thank you very much. Thank you for welcoming us, and I hope to see you back soon.
Thank you very much.